channel. Today we're going to be looking at an healthcare provider, one of the major healthcare providers in the US, and it's CVS. CVS declared its Q2 earnings and it beat top and bottom. Um, Earlier on, the stock was up around 4%. It was trading around $102. Presently, it's trading around $99.10. However, um, one or two things you need to know about CVS. CVS has a pharmaceutical business and an insurance business. The insurance profit margin, insurance revenue was a bit down, which shows a better result, meaning that there's a lesser claim of insurance and for that kind of business, that's what you expect. Let's have a look at the detail of the Q2 earnings. Let's see which of the business is really doing well. Also, let's have a look at the price action. Let's have a look at the charts. Sometimes it's not all about the price of the stock. It's not about the what the stock is trading on that day. To be an investment, to be able to invest in the business, it takes more than stock price. You need to look at the business as a whole. CVS is a big company and CVS is a value stock. It has been there for ages. Their competitors are the likes of Walgreens and the others. But then, let's have a look at details of the earnings and also price action on a technical chart. CVS Health raises full year forecast after beating second quarter expectation. CVS Health on Wednesday lifted its earnings outlook for the year after beating Wall Street expectation for the fiscal second quarter. The healthcare company said it now expects adjusted earnings per share for the full year to come in between $8.40 and $8.60. Same store sales increased by 8% compared with a year ago period as customers bought COVID at home test kits and cold and flu medication. CVS CVS Health on Wednesday lifted its earnings outlook for the year after beating Wall Street expectation for the second quarter. The healthcare company said it now expects adjusted earnings per share for full year to come in between $8.40 and $8.60, compared with the earlier estimate of $8.20 and $8.40. Shares of CVS gained more than 6% on Wednesday. Here is what the company reported for the 3-month period ended in June, compared with what analysts were expecting. Earnings per share $2.40 versus $2.17 expected. Revenue $80.64 billion versus $76.37 billion as expected. On an adjusted basis, CVS reported net income of $2.95 billion or 2.23 per share, higher than 2.78 billion or $2.10 per share a year earlier. Revenue of 80.6 billion likewise marked a year-over-year increase, up from 72.62 billion in the same period of 2021. The result compares CVS several different slices of the healthcare business. It has a huge footprint of drugstore, own insurer and rental and pharmacy benefit managers. CVS Chemical Care Mark and provide patient care through the Minute Clinic inside of its store. CEO Karen Lynch said the company's strategy of adding more health services is boosting sales and deepening customer relationship. Our team is delivering meaningful progress on our strategy as we are striving to become the nation's leading health solution company, she said on an earnings call. And she added that the company will continue to build on this powerful moment. Here is the technical chart for CVS Health. The market capitalization is 134.09 billion. The shares in float is 1298.2 million, and shares outstanding is 1311.3 million. The EPS rating is 71, and the PE ratio is 12. Return on equity is 15%. The cash flow is above 10 billion. Um, you have the past and the estimate for the EPS. This is 2023 estimate, and also it's currently trading at $102. The 52 weeks high and 52 weeks low. 52 weeks high is 111, and 52 weeks low is $79. It is trading minus 8%, 8.1% off 52 weeks high. But as you can see, let's have a look at all other fundamental information here. Um, Funds own 43%, banks own 2%. The checklist, Benjamin Graham's 9 out of 13. Warren Buffett, Warren Buffett is also 13 out of 16, and Peter Lynch is 4 out of 8. What you need to see, this is a very beautiful chart. As you can see, let me start from here. That's the December 2020. This stock uh, has been bullish. It's a bullish stock. CVS is actually a value stock. Is one of those stocks in healthcare. Now you can see the stock consolidated around here. Then it broke up on this channel on the upside, and it also consolidated around here as well. Then we know that we're in bear market till now. Whether we have bottom is a different thing, but uh, the stock has a beautiful chart, and it's on a bullish move, currently on a bullish move, and it is trading above the 15 weeks moving average, and in fact above 200-day moving average. See, is in consolidation. Let's have a look at other information that we can get. Let's have a look at it on a daily chart for CVS on a daily chart. Sometimes you can see things clearer on the daily chart. Oh, on the daily chart, it shows that there's a gap up because of I'm sure it's because of the earnings. So there's a gap up here, but it tells you that this stock was also trending down, just like many other stock, because of the bear market. However, there's a positive move here, as you can see. We have been higher low and higher, see, and we have here. You can also draw the line here of a resistance, which I would say he broke the resistance on upside. That's on a daily chart. Well, that's all about the technical chart. You've seen the price action. Please do not just add CVS to your portfolio without knowing what CVS does really. You can go to their website. In fact, you need to check if it fits into your investment idea, investment portfolio. Do evaluation, use one of the metrics you see earlier on, or choose a metric that suits you. Check the PE ratio, check the earnings per share, check all this information. Don't just think, okay, the price is doing no, it's not all about price. As I said, you need to see the business. You're not investing in just the price of the price can go down or up tomorrow. What about the business? Please do your valuation. Thank you for watching this channel. Thank you for subscribing. We'll continue to produce content that will support your investment journey. Please call it.